Good afternoon, everybody. It's Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. It's 4:02 in the afternoon, 2 minutes past 4 o'clock, 58 minutes before the hour. It's approximately 90,000 degrees outside today with rain and high humidity. Yes, so let's go outside in it. I've been doing a little pressure washing. I've got a little problem. A little problem. I got a little problem with the Saab. A little bit of a Saab story. I guess I probably should have found the key before starting the video much, maybe. Yeah, Lexus keys, Peugeot keys, Packard keys. Okay, I'll be right back. I can't find those Saab keys. Found one Saab key. Only key I got. Do I need to get a key made? If you're a Saab person, comment on that. I've heard some horrible nightmare stories about if this ignition goes bad, you have to change out not only the ignition, but something about a collar on the steering column has to be changed out too. I've YouTube a couple of videos, and I would just rather see if I can't find another key somehow without, having to go through all that crap. The Saab. Okay, the Saab hasn't been driven much. My family's been out of town. I've been driving my baby out there. But I love this car too. It's just a sporty number. She's a sporty number, so just got to be in the mood for it. But one thing I've noticed on cold starts, and this is only on cold starts, and she hasn't been started in about 4 days. Okay, you put your key in the little magical Saab slot, and I'm going to turn it to the on position. I'm hoping, going to go ahead and turn this climate control off. I'm hoping you can hear this. I can certainly feel it. When I start the car cold, it's almost misfiring. Except I don't think it is. It is a rocking sensation. Rocks back and forth, and it literally smooths out within just a few seconds after startup. So I'm going to start it up real quick, and I'm going to see if we can notice anything. See if it's audible or anything. So here we go. Went away. Could you even hear that? I'll play the video back to see. But, it starts up high idle. The idle will settle down. It'll be fine. It's smooth right now. It's literally just a few seconds. There is a hunching vibration. Oh, yeah. Smooth as can be. Like the smoothest engine in the world. Let me see if it'll do it one more time since it's still kind of cold. Very slight. Yeah, it's usually just that initial cold start. Like I said, it kind of almost feels like a misfire, but I don't think it is. Saab people, let me know what you think. Also, recommendations on the power door lock. It doesn't lock. The others lock. Oh, it locked that time. and it locked again. Okay. It had not been working at all. And now all of a sudden it is working. That makes absolutely no sense. Crazy as hell. Oh well, never mind about the lock. I want to get some tires for this car. It has Cooper CSS. I can't read that. Sorry, YouTube. I'm monetized now. I gotta watch my language. Let's see, Cooper CSS Ultra Touring. The tires are not worn out, but they're getting close to the wear bars. And the fronts are a little more worn than the backs. What brand tire do people like? This is a, I say I was going to put Continentals on it, but I don't know. I'm open for options. This is a 16-inch rim, 215/55/16. So I'm interested in some options, suggestions on tires. Kumo, I've had those before. I like them. Of course, Michelin's, Continentals, I like all those, even though they're a little pricier. There's a Pirelli tire that's out. I think it's called like a P1 Centurio or Centurion or something like that. Good looking tread pattern on it. So I didn't know if anybody had much experience with the Pirelli tires. But just drop a comment. Let me know what kind of tires people are buying these days and what would provide a nice quality smooth ride. So anyway, that's all I had for you. Going to the auction. You know what? I'm gonna leave that open because my floor's wet. Going to the auction in Atlanta next week to pick up the 2012 Volvo XC90 that I bought online. It's for my brother-in-law, so I'm hoping to do that maybe Monday or Tuesday. So when I do that, I'll be sure to get a good video on that. I know I've done a couple of XC90s, but I bought one for their other daughter, so I got to go down there and pick it up. So anyway, I appreciate everybody watching, liking, subscribing. I'm over 1,000 subscribers. It's been great. I've been re-monetized because I used to be monetized until they changed the rules and all that stuff, but remonetized, probably making a nickel a month. But we'll see where this channel goes. Make some suggestions. Drop a comment. Let me know what more you want to see. Do you want to see more auction type cars going to the auction? I've done a couple of Copart walkarounds, and those videos didn't really get much traction, and a lot of people are doing those now, especially our good buddy Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds. I like him. He's a cool guy, and I've been following him for over a year now. I could do, like I said, more auction stuff or just buying cars and just fixing them up and selling them and doing the 0 to 60s and all that freeway driving and that sort of thing. So let me know what y'all think I should do. And thanks again. Y'all have a great Saturday. And again, like, subscribe, and comment. I sure do appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Peace. I just wanted to add a little footnote to today's short video. Today was my first day as a monetized YouTuber. Uh, thanks, guys, anyway, for watching and your subscriptions. And like, share, comment. And I appreciate it. Peace. Y'all have a good night.